What's up, everyone? Welcome back to DNK Knives. Today, I've got two knives here that I'm really excited to show you guys. The McNees Dixon and the PM Mac 2. Both finished with these gorgeous bronze anodized titanium handles. If you're into premium American-made knives with incredible machining and with some of the smoothest actions you can find, you're definitely going to want to stick around. Alongside having the Dixon in stock and the PM Mac 2 3.5, we also have a McNees PM Mac 2 in the 3-inch with that green anodization, with that simple slab titanium green anodized handles. We also have a stonewashed jig titanium PM Mac 2, again with that absolutely perfect action. We have a Shockwave Dixon and that stonewash, absolutely beautiful, action's amazing. And we have a green Shockwave Dixon. Again, absolutely beautiful. This one has that belt finish blade, or that satin blade. It's absolutely beautiful, amazing. Really, really love these guys. They're a great team, small shop out of Alabama, and you honestly can't get much better. Before we jump into the knives themselves, let's talk a little bit about McNees. McNees Knives is a veteran-owned, family-operated company based out of Vernon, Alabama. Jonathan McNees started making knives back in 2008 in a small homemade shop, and over the years, well, he's now grown into one of the most respected names in the American knife community. Every knife is machined, assembled, and hand-finished right there in Alabama, and that commitment to quality is something you notice the second you pick one up. Anyways, let's start with the Dixon. The first thing you notice is how solid this knife feels. It's definitely a full-size folder, but it doesn't feel oversized or awkward. Everything about it just screams confidence. This one in particular features a bronze anodized titanium handles with that frag pattern milling. It gives you plenty of grip without tearing up your pocket, and the bronze anodizing changes depending on the lighting. Sometimes it's this dark bronze, sometimes it's almost gold, and over time it'll develop even more personality as you carry it. Looking at the specs, you're getting a 3 3/4 inch magnet cut blade, an overall length of 8.5 inches, titanium frame lock, titanium pocket clip, raised right around 4.7 ounces. So yes, it's a larger knife, but it carries much better than you'd expect, thanks to this ergonomic design. Now let's talk about the action, because this is where McNees really shines. The deployment is ridiculously smooth, whether you're thumb flicking it, reverse flicking it, it rockets open right away. The lockup is solid, there's absolutely no blade play, and the closing action has that smooth kind of like hydraulic feel that makes you want to keep flipping it over and over again. This is the kind of knife that feels like it'll last a lifetime. Now moving on over to the PM Mac 2, this is the 3.5 inch. This knife has become one of the most sought after American-made everyday carry folders on the market, and honestly, after handling one, it's pretty easy to understand why. This version features a jigged bronze anodized titanium handles, and personally I think this is one of the cleanest combinations they've ever produced. The jig texture gives an outstanding grip while still feeling comfortable in your hand. Just like the Dixon, the bronze anodizing gives it a premium look and it really stands out without being flashy. And as for the specs, you're getting a 3.5 inch hollow ground magnet cut blade with an overall length of about 7.8 inches and a weight of approximately 4 ounces. Compared to the Dixon, it's a little bit more compact, a little lighter, and for a lot of people this is going to be a sweet spot for an EDC. That hollow ground magnet cut blade slices incredibly well, whether you're opening packages, cutting rope, breaking down cardboard, or just handling everyday tasks. Around the house or at work, this knife performs extremely well and has that perfect balance between being tough enough for hard use while still being an amazing cutter. And just like the Dixon, there's that action. McNees does incredible. It's hard to not just sit there and fish with this knife all day. I mean, that's what I end up doing. D10 is dialed in perfectly, deployment feels effortless, and it drops shut just ridiculously well. It's one of those knives you'll find yourself opening 10 times before you even cut anything. If you ask me which one I would choose, it's going to be pretty tough. I tend to like larger, beefier knives, so I would go with the Dixon, but a lot of people don't like that. A lot of people like something right in that sweet spot, and that's where the PM Mac 2 really shines. The size, the weight, ergonomics, cutting performance. all the action come together, what I think honestly makes one of the best premium EDC American-made folder you can buy on today's market. Incredible machining, made in America, using American materials. The fit and finish, hand finished, it's all genuinely beautiful, and it's a knife that's built by people who genuinely care about the knife that they're making. So, if either one of these caught your eyes, make sure to check them out over at DNK Knives while they're still available. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more knife content, and let us know down in the comments which one you're picking up, the Dixon or the PM Mac 2. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in the next one.